Okay, guys, so today, thank everybody for coming to Agbenuke Airway channel. Yeah, today, what I want us to talk about is the video you are watching. Okay, this very pastor. Okay, this is the second video we've seen, okay, which is secret video that has been leaked out. They leaked this video out, and the public is sharing here and there. Now, if you can see, the man is what? He's removing, in other words, shaving the pubic hair from the church members in the name of making money rituals for them. And if you listen to it, this is a video coming across Africa. Everybody is sharing this video. Which lesson can we learn from there? That's what I want to talk about. I used to tell my viewers that say Christianity that we got from the white man is not what we are practicing. In other words, we have to redefine our Christianity. The concept of Christianity, we have to redefine it. In fact, we don't need the white Jesus. That is one. Number two, on my platform, I want black man to be responsible. Now, when I go across the social media and I see something like this, I'm not fan of it, but I think we could learn something from there. At which age are these women standing there? Are they mature or they are not mature? Are they kids? Okay. Now, if you look at it, this pastor, for a woman of this caliber, a woman or a girl of this level, which education did they give her? Or what education is the government giving to the public, the citizens of the country? Okay. Now, a mature girl like this or a woman like this to come and stand here, and a man is using a single blade, shaving all of them. In other words, the man is sharing sickness, because that blade, the man is not looking through. If you want to shave somebody's private part, you need to relax, you need to take your time. Even our hair, time is being taken before they shave we cut hair. We don't just shave anyhow, and the man is standing very rudely and shaving their hair in the name of going to make them rich, going to make them powerful, just like the way a pastor Obinim did in Ghana. Okay, this very video, this very pastor made the same video bathing and sharing the bath water for church members. If you look at the window and the design in the window, it's the same church. In the previous video I will be adding it, so watch till end, and then you see that previous video that I was talking about. Now, we are saying that Christianity, wake up everybody. Don't sleep. That is all we are asking for everybody. Don't sleep. Wake up from your sleep. Read the Bible, every portion that is not reliable, that doesn't make sense, you throw it away. The one that makes sense, you make good use of it. First, poverty is the reason for which these women fall victim to this pastor. Poverty is number one. In Africa, how many factories do we have? Okay, how many factories do we have? We are saying that governments in Africa, upon the natural resources we've got on our land, yet we are suffering. Our leaders, our politicians are not helping. That is why this thing is happening. What is wrong with our industries? In 21st century, senior ministers could be voicing out like, don't punish this person, because that person will be coming to save he will be coming to mine our gold, and for that matter, don't punish. So what I'm talking about is the governance of our country. Okay, what is the governance? What is the government doing to make sure that the citizens are working, they are able? What is the national securities doing in Ghana, Togo, Benin, Nigeria? What are the national securities doing? Okay, is our security that is not safe? Because this pastor, he's been messing around for long. He's been messing around for long. What is the interior minister, the exterior minister? What is the ministerial positions? What are they doing to make sure that the citizens under their care, taxpayers' money that is used to pay the police and the immigrations, what are they doing? What are the services you are providing? All they care about is salary should come. Politicians, all they care about is money should come from the state so that they will enjoy it. That is why all these things happening. A mature man like this, and mature people going into the church. That is why I'm saying it. We are not against Christianity. We are not against the Bible. The portion that is not good, please throw it away. It's just simple and short, because there are much rubbish in the Bible which need to be removed. People like me, we are voicing out that the Bible need to be rewritten. We don't want to die because we want to go to heaven. If heaven is a golden land, then we want to see our bishop dying quick so that they will go and enjoy it there. In otherwise, the money they are collecting from church, they should use it to serve the poor instead of using it to buy Range Rover. That is awakening I'm calling on this platform. This video I'm making the English version because I want you who understand English to know very well that we need to wake up from our sleep. We really need to wake up from our sleep. It is not nice for a mature woman, a mature man to go and you don't know what this man, you don't know which ritual the man is doing. 21st century, how could that happen? What is going on in Africa? Is it the best way we can practice our spirituality? Okay, on my platform I call people to come back to our tradition. Why? Because I've seen many fake pastors across the world. I've been to some and I've caught some in the act. As far as security is concerned, I was a security guard and I've encountered so many fake pastors. Now you are watching this video and a man is there, and human being are taking this risk, drinking the man's bathed water. You don't know which chemical he's wearing under his pant. You don't know which ritual. What? Since when? Is this one also mentioned in the Bible? So now, the people that we need to blame are the Christian Union of the world, of Africa, of wherever you can name them. Wherever this nonsense is going on, it need to be the Christian Union. They need to be cautioned. Other than that, this church should have been shut down by the government. But what is happening? The man did this earlier on, and currently he's shaving women in the church, not even in a hideout, one after the other. The man is shaving it in the public to the view of everybody in the name of money ritual. Now the solution is what? They have to shut that church down.
Okay, so what I was saying is the churches need to be shut down. Okay, they should shut those churches down. In fact, Christian, everybody is just doing recording. Okay, but currently the man refused that people shouldn't record. Now, Christianity need to be modified. The Bible, as I said earlier on, need to be rewritten for betterment of African unity. If we want to grow, that is what I think we have to do. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to share.